Obviously, I am not Alex Hormozi, but before you go away, let me tell you why this is still an Alex Hormozi video. As you know, Alex Hormozi has a ton of business content online and on YouTube, but did you know he still gives out a bunch of practical business tips and strategies to his closest followers? And a lot of that stuff is not even on his YouTube channel. That is what I'm here for. Every video, I explain a business tip or strategy that you have not heard him say before. That way, you guys don't have to waste time reading his boring emails. And I'm going to tell you this right now off the bat. A lot of these tips are actually super easy and super simple and seemingly very obvious, but they will make you as a business owner a ton more money. It's just that not enough people do it. Also, if you haven't registered for Alex Hormozi's $100 million Money Models third book live launch event, which is on August 16th, do that right now. The register link is in the description. It's in the pinned comment. Sign up. So here's a quote or some words that Alex Hormozi really likes. People don't trust you because you haven't done anything yet. In the real world, the proof comes before the pudding or the promise. Most business owners want it the other way around. They want the praise, they want the attention, they want sales before they've even done anything. They want the pudding without even showing the proof. But you know that's not how the world works. You want people to trust you, you want them to buy from you, and you want them to take you seriously, right? Then you got to show them that you've done something. Because no one's going to believe you just because you said it. So yeah, you could have the best product in the world. It doesn't really matter because a stranger on the street's not going to believe you. Why? Because you are biased. You're the one selling the thing. Obviously, you're going to think it's the best thing in the world. Alright. So what's the solution? The solution is overwhelming social proof. And the thing is, most business owners have it. They just don't show it. They don't display it, and that's the part that kills their sales. Alright, so now I'm going to break down exactly what Alex Hormozi recommends. First, we'll start with a brick and mortar place. Alright, if your business is brick and mortar, like you have a physical location, I want you to pull reviews from Google, Yelp, Facebook, anywhere. Just go full screenshot goblin mode. Then just go to the dollar store and buy a bunch of $1 frames. And then you're just going to cover your entire lobby with them. From the floor to ceiling, side to side. Honestly, just make your business look like a review museum. Now why? Because that's proof. And proof converts more money. And here's just a picture that Alex Hormozi pulled just so you guys can see it for yourself. These people framed every single testimonial. And then like when you walk in as a customer, it just hits you. Oh, yeah, this place is legit. When you walk in, you can actually just feel the reputation. You can actually just feel the trust. Alright, so what if you have an online business? Almost pretty much the same principle. You guys probably have more proof lying everywhere. The different review platforms like we just mentioned. Instagram DMs, Facebook groups, emails, Discord, private messages. I want you to take screenshots of all of it. Not me, but Alex Hormozi. And then you're just going to dump all those pictures onto your landing pages, your sell pages, your webinars, your sales presentations, your slide decks, whatever. And the whole point is just to make it feel like an endless scroll of validation for your business. Ideally, people are just scrolling for minutes before they even get to your sales pitch, because that's just how much proof you have. Now, here's the reality, because this is what you're probably thinking. Covering my entire lobby with reviews or covering my entire presentation with reviews, that's just ugly. Dude. Here's the thing, ugly converts. Endless testimonials are going to convert way better than your beautiful lobby or your beautiful looking sales presentation. Nobody believes you if you just say, we're the best. But they believe the hundreds of people who say it for you. Alex Hormozi says the best, proof over promise, every single time. You don't need better copy. You don't need a new sales funnel. You don't even need to say it better. Just need to show them. Stack your proof, frame it, screenshot it, and just publish it. That's all I got. It was short and it was simple. If you're a business owner and you love Alex Hormozi content to make your business more money, now I'm actually the founder of the most exclusive online community, Alex Hormozi School, where a bunch of business owners gather together. We just talk about the different Alex Hormozi strategies and advice that have actually helped us make a lot more money. So definitely check that out right after you're done watching this video. And of course, guys, make sure to register for Alex Hormozi's third book live launch event, which is happening August 16th. Don't miss out. See you guys next time.